Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be talking about this beautiful Android head unit that we installed in this Mazda 6 2017 model. This car originally had the back camera and as well as Bose sound system. We installed this beautiful Android head units. It's a retrofit model compatible, so it is compatible with all the original functions such as steering wheel buttons, the iDrive, the back camera, the sound system, and everything that this car originally has. As this is an Android screen, so it comes with all the basic Android functions such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You also have a Play Store which allows you to download any kind of application in the screen and like YouTube, and you can use it. You can watch videos while driving, you can watch YouTube, Spotify, listen to music via Spotify, or use Netflix, HBO, whatever you want. The navigation, you can use any kind of navigation software. It doesn't matter if it's online or offline. We also provide our customer offline navigation with our screen, which is called iGo navigation, which doesn't require internet in order to navigate. But if you want to use other like Google Maps, Sidekick, Waze, or anything else in particular, you can download it from Play Store and use it. The Bluetooth in the screen has two functions. One is obviously to call somebody. You can also sync all of your contacts here in the screen as well. You can also, the second function is BT music, so once you connect your phone via Bluetooth to the screen, you can play music to the car. You also have a DSP system equalizer, which allows you to basically modify the sound, the quality of the sound by your own likings. It has a lot of bunch of functions. It's not just the equalizer, it's a whole DSP system. So that's a really a good thing as well. This screen is 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of memory. We also have this screen in higher specifications if a customer wants like 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of memory. We also have that as well. You can always connect an external back camera with this screen as well. If your car doesn't have an original back camera, you can connect an external aftermarket backup camera. You can also connect the front parking camera as well as front monitoring camera that will record all the videos and save it in the screen. It also has a built-in Apple CarPlay, which is here, as well as the Android Auto. So it's wireless, it's not with a wire. It also works with a wire, but you can, as soon as you connect your phone via Bluetooth, you can use Apple CarPlay if you have an iPhone, or Android Auto if you have an Android phone. Radio, it's you can use it normal as you had before, but you have it here digitally, and you will be able to access all the radio channels. These screens, they come with all the connectors, cables, and everything that is needed in order for it to work. So you just buy the screen and you will get everything with it. In some cases there are a few extra adapters, so it's better to confirm with us the compatibility before buying any of our products. You will always be able to use your original functions, such as none of your original functions will be affected by installing this screen. This car in particular has a lot of original functions. Some car has even more. So even if your car has an original screen that has functions in it, in those kind of cases you will be able to access the original screen through the Android screen. Like for example in BMW cars or Audi, Mercedes, you will have a original screen option. So once you click on it, you will be able to access the original screen as well. So we have these kind of screens for almost all the cars out there. It doesn't matter what car you have, for all the cars, and they are model compatible. We have some universal ones as well for the older cars, and we have for newer cars, or for like Mercedes, BMW, or any German or German car, we have a model compatible retrofit, so you do not need to cut any kind of cables to connect these. It's all plug and play, so you just connect cables and it will work as normal. So if you have any queries, please leave a comment down below, and I will leave all the information in the description below. So I will see you in the next video, and until then, take care and bye bye.